What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. Man, I'll tell you what, I'm sorry for the lack of videos here over the last couple weeks. I've been busy at work, still got a real job, not a full-time YouTuber yet. Of course, I'm not sponsored by Bud Light yet. When that happens, we're gonna have a good time. But so anyway, what I got here is basically a sneak peek of what we have planned for the winter. These right here are beadlock inserts from WigSplitterProFab.com. Special thanks to Glenn for taking care of these and making these. Those are going to go with these here. My Hummer beadlocks, I'm going to get them cleaned up, get them nice and shiny, probably put a little coat of paint on them. Flat black, satin black. I'm not a gloss guy, but we'll take care of that. So also with those, I got new valve stems, of course, kind of while you're doing one thing, you kind of got to do the rest. So Hummer beadlocks are in the future for the Yoder. I don't know if you guys have watched very many of my videos, but you might have noticed when I am driving, that thing shakes like a dog shitting peach seeds. I figured out my knuckles are a little worn on my passenger side. My knuckle is a little walled out where my tie rod end goes in. So I have a whole set of Moog, open box, new tie rod ends, the long side, the short side, everything goes with it, and a 7-degree reamer. I will be having a video about that. A whole video about the beadlocks, a whole video about that. This might be a long-term deal. Hopefully I can get it done this winter, but I don't know if I will, weather permitting. It might be a little cold to shoot it. I got some Raptor liner. As you saw in previous videos, I fixed the dents in the cab and stuff to be able to put the Raptor liner on. Shake it up a little bit so you can see it. Hot Rod Red. That's the color we're going for. Hot Rod Red and black, a little bit of chrome. Looks beautiful in my head. We'll see how it looks on the real truck when we get it done. I never have really cared what the Yoder looked like, but I kind of do. I want it to look good, look good, feel good, you know what I mean? Yeah. So, I got hind joints and a truss kit back there in the back for the Yoder too. And part of that, with that goes these 16-inch travel nitrogen-filled Fox shocks. These will be in the back end. I'm gonna keep the leafs in the front for now. I plan on 3-link in the front someday in the future. I don't know when. Money for giving and providing, and a little bit of prayers in there somewhere. But this is going to be the rear, 4-linked with 16 inches of travel. It's going to be a good time. So it ought to be like somewhere in my head. Whoop, careful there. I got my axles pictured like in this position, rear axle here, front axle here, just articulating, just all sorts of travel. So 4-wheeling. But what else we got? Okay, so
Nope, you still have these.
What? Oh yeah, spacers. So as anybody that's done it before knows, putting a high steer on a 44 or 60, you kind of have to have a wheel spacer to put a beadlock on. Without a spacer, the beadlock rims, the back spacing is enough that they touch the high steer brackets. So I bought wheel spacers to kick the Humvee beadlocks out just a skosh to get them off that. So we will take care of that. A whole stack of lug nuts to get, brand new lug nuts on everything, so we'll all be good. But basically, that's the winter in a nutshell. This guy right here, Got a good shot there? I'll
Yes,
check this
I
out.
did.
Bam! Save the diamond-billed rock pecker. Along with making YouTube videos, I watch a lot of YouTube. And YouTubers they're a special breed. It takes a lot of time and dedication to have a consistent YouTube channel and have a regular life. A lot of people think that, oh, you made a YouTube video, oh, 20 minutes in the shop. It ain't like that. It takes a lot of time and a lot of effort. So I've started buying other YouTubers' merch. My plan is to wear their merch in my videos and post a link to their merch in my videos so other people can, discover other YouTubers and buy their merch and help support them. And eventually, I'm working on my own merch and, support me in my YouTube adventure with my merch also. So this week I'm buying the Trail Mater. He's out of Moab, Utah. Really does a lot of cool stuff, a lot of off-road recoveries and stuff like that in his fab videos and his shop and stuff. Good YouTube channel, click on it, check it out. I've got some Cletus merch. I've got some Boosted Boys, little Puddin's Fab Shop. He's might not be as big as, some of the other guys, but he does a lot of the U-Haul box trucks. The guy's hilarious. I love him. I like watching him. He's a good time. So shout out to him. Basically, support your local YouTubers.
My bad.
It's for you. Ha!
Sorry.
That's all good. I hope it was important. Anyway, support your local YouTubers, Go ahead and like, share, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, whatever you got to do. It's a good time. And this is going to be a good winter for us. We'll get everything put together. We'll get out. We'll go wheeling. We'll get some good videos. We'll have a good time. So I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.